Thank you. Oh, thank you.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now, come on now.
Body, crib, got it, job, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long.
6:44. We are still working.
If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than that.
See, this life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding, bro. You gotta understand what you're doing. You need a direction,
Pepper soup good.
I no get the name, I no sing a sound. Sound, Mr. Money sound. I want the precise, I want the precise.
Good morning, guys. It's 7th of January, and guess what? It's my birthday. So this morning I woke up and feeling grateful, feeling happy. Ever since yesterday, I've been feeling happy, and I'm grateful. I'm grateful for everything. And my sister got me gifts. So let's check what. So my sister got me this. Okay. First. Ooh. Okay, girl. Aww. This is so nice. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. You know I love me some lip glosses. Oh wow. I truly needed all these things.
She says to me, I hear pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath
I'm so proud of her. Like, she started really driving on my birthday. Like, I'm so happy. Time on my birthday, lately I've been spending it with my sister. Yeah. In a restaurant. So we are getting pizza.
She's scared to breathe. I hold her hand and got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, dance in the water. I start to leave. She's begging me and asking why. So she said,
Today, give us E, S, a U, and a big S. She's what?
What is warm?
Are you?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. That's my sister.
Policy. Shonda Paul alongside Beyonce. I'm here, the man say. I'm dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Beyonce. Sing it now, yeah. You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
My baby gone. Yes, no, hurt me so in the love, let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out my fantasy.
Well, good morning. Well, today is Monday, and I'm going to the site. I have a kitchen project to round up this week, and I'm going to put you all in every aspect of it because we are supposed to have finished the project last week, but so many delays, and I don't want to start today with a lot of bad vibes. So let's get into the video and make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and enjoy this video.
Body.